Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. This is 14th lecture of your Progressive English Unit 3, London. Today our topic is the Great Fire of London. That is on page number 62. Open your book on page number 62. Here is history as story. Here is the story of the Great Fire written over 300 years आफ्टर इट हैपन, यानी ये 300 साल बाद इस वाक़े के ये स्टोरी लिखी गई है. दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर द फायर हैड स्टार्टेड एट 2 o'clock in the morning in the shop of Mr. Fryer, the baker in the pudding line. Pudding mean custard. The Great Fire of London. By morning, the whole street was ablaze. Ablaze means students burning furiously. Urdu means jalana. Cellars packed with fuel, barrels of pitch and winter supplies of tallow exploded, throwing burning clouds. Clouds mean a grey or white. Clouds mean a lump of earth or clay. Clouds mean a lump of earth or clay. Clouds of wettle high into the air and showing the streets with tiles mean ढेर, पेल. Tiles mean Urdu means ढेर. Families in the path of the fire began to bundle their belongings together. Belongings mean अपना साजो सामान जो है together into chests and bags and to move their children out of doors. Here and there, gangs of men banded together to fight the fire. But all they had were buckets of water. They might as well have spat mean thukna on the flames mean shole. King Charles II, looking out over London, saw the daylight choked mean गला घूटने का अमल, यानी फंदा लगाना, यानी गला दम घुटना. Daylight choked, दम घुटना, गला दबना. By a rising mass of black smoke. Tell the Lord Mayor, Mayor mean Amir, he may have all the soldiers he needs. Now come on next page number 63. How did it begin was all the Lord Mayor wanted to know. Who is to blame? Blame mean यानी किसको ये blame इल्ज़ाम जाता है. Foreigners peoples told him fire rises revolutionary. Revolutionary mean English mean involving a complete dramatic change, यानी इनकलाब. Urdu means इनकलाब, revolutionary. Mr. Fryer, the baker, was summoned. Summoned mean talab karna. To tell what he knew of the fire, anxious that no one should blame him. He remembered mysteries. Mysteries mean pur israr, suspicious, shak shubha, circumstances, halat. The starting from the bread oven for no good reasons, and it had spread so fast and so far. There must have been arsonist. Arsonist mean a person who committed arson. Arson mean आतिशबाजी, जलाना. Arsonist. Arsonist operating all over the city. People powerless to stop the fire turned their energies to finding the culprits. Culprits mean criminal, mujrim, culprits. A fenceman was locked down with an iron bar for the crime of being foreign. A woman holding her apron Urdu means tahmat. Apron Urdu means tahmat. Apron gathered up in front of her was set upon by a mob. Mob means students are large crowd of people. Mob mean a large crowd of people. Screaming mean chihna. Look, she has fireballs hidden in her apron. She's carrying fireballs. Arsonist, the woman sprawled mean फैल गया. Senseless in the open drain and dozen fluffy mean नरमो मुलायम. Fluffy yellow chicks scattered mean बिखर गए. Scattered out of her apron and run cheeping hither and neither mean यहाँ वहाँ. Now come on paragraph 3. At last she indecisive means students bila niyaz यानी carelessly, bila niyaz, not providing clear result. English mean Lord Mayor gave permission for a fire break to be made and soldiers with बिलहॉक्स मीन स्टूडेंट्स बिलहॉक्स मीन एक किस्म का टूल होता है जिस लाइक उर्दू में दराती कहते हैं. इस टाइप का एक टूल है. बिगेन पुलिंग अपार्ट होल स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ houses while the householders screamed prayers and abuse and clutched their children close. Dragged mean घसीटना. pull along forcefully. Dragged mean Urdu means घसीटना. Their furniture clear of the tumbling masonry. Masonry means students stone maker. Masoneries mean stone maker. Urdu means memar. Masonry means stone maker English and Urdu means mamar. But it was too late. The fire leaped mean jump. Leaped their fire break, a surf of sparks spilling onward. Lot to set alight was lines, hay, carts and more thatches. Thatches mean घास फूस. Now come on next paragraph. Paragraph 4. Paragraph 4 is down at the river. The waterman had mustered very water right boat and barge. Barge mean boat kashti in the city and were busy evacuating. Evacuating mean खाली करना, छोड़ना. English mean remove from a place of danger to safer place. Evacuating mean remove from a place of danger to a place of safer. Families and good down river. The river was a red glare, the smoke an artificial night, but the watermen were pitiless. Pitiless mean beremi in demanding their fee. As the hours passed and they found they had more trade than they cloud handles, they demanded higher and higher sums. Huge purses of money changed hands too, so that a dresser mean अलमारी, बर्तनों की अलमारी, and a hopsicot एक टाइप का बाजा होता है. hopsicot mean एक टाइप का बाजा. hopsicot should followed with their owners downstream. Out of danger already there were tables and benches float on the tide. Safer in the water than out of it, crowds jostle mean धक्का देना at the water side for a chance to board. Children up to their knees in mud. Women blaming on landing stages men's haggling. Haggling means students झगड़ा करना, मोल तोल करना. Haggling and swearing. Haggling and swearing. Haggling means झगड़ा करना, बहस करना, and swearing कसम खाना. In among them, pickpockets were lifting a fortune in watches and silk handkerchief. Handkerchief Urdu means rumal. An unattended bag there, an unattended roll of cutlery. Now come on paragraph 5. The goldsmith and silversmith. Goldsmiths students सुनार and silversmiths ये जो चांदी के जो जेवरात बनाते हैं of the city. Converged mean इकट्ठा करना. Converged on the Tower of London to deposit their valuables in the stones values and impregnable mean नाकाबिले तस्खीर, नाकाबिले फ़हम. Dungeons means ज़मींदोज़ किला. Dungeons mean ज़मींदोज़ किला of the ancient mean कदीम ज़माने का. Ancient for fortress. But would even the tower kept out the fire? Church spires were toppling like trees, stone building, crumbling their stones, bursting like bombs. The booksellers of London choose St. Paul's Cathedral as a safe place. Cathedral means students girjaghar for their stop. For it was built in stone and lead and bronze, not kindling. Kindling mean jalana, aag jalana. Kindling mean aag jalana. Like the houses which jostle round it. Paragraph 6 and 7 you have to read on your own self, that is on page number 64. Now we will do words meaning. Ablaze means students burning. Clod mean a lump of earth or clay. Mob mean a large crowd of people. Indecisive mean not providing clear result. Dragged mean pull along forcefully. Leaped mean jump. Masonry mean stone maker. Your homework is you have to read page number 62, 63 and 64 2 or 3 times, and also you have to learn the meaning of the difficult words. Here is vocabulary on page number 65. You have to do for example, culprits mean criminal, mob mean crowd, thatches mean a roof made of straw, harpsichord, baja, collaterally mean leaves or frogs, etc. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.